Hello and welcome to this Redstor video where we're going to cover the backup and protection of Azure Kubernetes services. So let's start by logging into the Redstor app using your Redstor username and password. Once we've logged in, over on the left hand side you'll see some of the features that you can backup and protect using Redstor, and in this video we're going to concentrate on Kubernetes, so I'm going to click on that option. And before we can start selecting your Kubernetes clusters, we need to marry up the Redstor service with your Azure Kubernetes service. So we'll click on the Add button, and then I'll need to add in my Azure username and password, so I'm going to do that now. Fantastic. So we can now see a list of any Azure Kubernetes clusters that exist. In my case, I've just got one here, so I can see the resource group, the versions of the Kubernetes, the location of where that cluster is positioned, and the subscription that is in use. So I'm going to simply choose my AKS demo and click on the Add button at the bottom right hand corner. So you'll see a little bubble popping up to show that the cluster has been added, and over on the left hand side we'll now see that my demo cluster has now been created. So if I highlight that option, you'll see at the very top of the screen that the Redstor app is now preparing that cluster to be backed up using Redstor. So we'll have to wait a second for that process to complete. Fantastic. And now that the preparation is complete, I'm now able to simply go up to our little options over on the top right hand corner, and in this case I'm going to kick off a backup immediately. Fantastic. So now that that backup is completed, up on the right hand side you'll see there's a little notification button, and I can now see that the backup of my AKS demo cluster has now completed. So in the next videos we'll look at the recovery steps. So thanks ever so much for watching.